Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install your new Motium wiper blades. Inside the box, you'll find two wiper blades. The sizes may vary depending on your vehicle model. For this example, I'll be installing a 16-inch and a 26-inch blade. Installation of these windshield wipers is super easy. We'll start by lifting the arms and removing the old blades. Depending on your current wipers, you may need to press a clip or lift a small cover to release them. Once they are removed, keep your arms lifted and let's get your new Motium wiper blades ready for installation. We'll start by removing the yellow plastic cover for both blades. Next, lift the blade's locking cover and hook it onto the wiper arm. Once it's in place, close the cover until you hear a click, meaning it was properly installed and it's securely locked in. Finally, we can lower the arms and your new Motium wiper blades have been installed successfully. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks again for choosing Motium.